so good. Right now. What is up, my beautiful people? What is up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. So I'm happy to be here live because of the storm, Hurricane Beryl. It's a lot of devastation, but I'm here giving thanks for life, right? So we're gonna react to Snowman music video, YouTube ver. I'm not sure what to expect from this, but guys, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. I'm not sure if I have any Jamaican friends who are familiar with the Snowman team. Hopefully, once I'm done with this reaction, then I could have at least 2 or 3 of my Jamaican fellow mates who are now familiar with these guys called Snowman. So this video was done 9 days ago. I'm practically 9 days late when this video has been recorded. So without further ado, let's take a walk. Let's see what's up. Peace.
僕含め、スノーマン全員オフということで、外からもちょっと隠しカメラをメンバーのオフの顔を撮れたらなっていう風に。じゃあ行ってきます。
What I really respect about these guys is that their music sounds good and their sense of humor is freaking awesome, bro. They are so jovial, funny, and I respect that, bro. Right? To see people smile this much, to see people have this much fun with themselves, it's always this great momentum for me, bro. And I love how they are just there enjoying themselves, bro. It's something good. This is so enjoyable. So much fun, so much excitement. Guys, look, I'm not understanding what they're saying, but because of the music, because of the spirit that his music is giving off, it is enjoying to listen to. Trust me. And some time ago, when I just met these guys, I always wonder, like, where do all these people from the Japanese country comes from, bro? Because I've encountered so much groups with so much great singers, dancers, actors. It's phenomenal to see them, bro. And the Snowman, nothing different about them, right? They're standing out on top, bro. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. Oh my god, bro. Ah! I'm so happy. Trust me. Guys, the love and the bond that these men have, bro, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Trust me, the love is very powerful. I can see that, bro. To see this brings so much happiness within my heart, bro. Trust me. For me, The fun and the excitement that these guys are giving off, the energy, bro. Literally, I work with energy. And once the energy is connecting, then eventually I'm feeling connected. This is so fun to watch, right? Every individual is having the time of their lives, bro. To see so much fun, to see so much excitement here, bro, it's like I'm around them. So good. Right now, this is one of the best music videos I've seen, bro. I would sit and I would listen to them all day, every day, because of what they are giving unto us, bro. This music is so nice. I gotta say, bro, music like these, bro, are really essential. Trust me. And once I could sit and to become a fan of their music, it's always something exquisite. The fun that they're having, bro, I love it. Yo, I love the fun so much, bro. Oh my god, bro. Trust me. Where are these guys from, bro? The energetic momentum, bro, it's good. I'm sorry for my lacking, but bro, their voices, the singing, bro, is fucking amazing, dog. Oh my god, bro. The singing is beautiful, bro. They can sing so good. Wow, gorgeous. So good, bro. And I love how they can also dress well, right? The dressing code is freaking gorgeous, stupendously amazing. These guys are one of the best I've seen thus far. One of the prettiest music video I've seen, bro. And with this, it is quite remarkable. Ah! Yo! Damn! I love the fun, love the excitement, I love the laughter, I love the joyful moment. It's all beautiful here. Literally, these guys make my day. Something that I would watch every day. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys didn't truly read thus far in this reaction, leave a like on this video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next Snowman reaction.